Hello everyone, welcome to 5 minutes Bellydance with me.
This week we're going to continue to work on the Ommies, but this time we're going to look at the second variation, which is utilizing the down and out. This week we're going to work on the down, which means you're going to bend the hip down. When you're doing this, when you're doing your down, try to slide out a little bit, that's what is out, okay, down and out. Alright, when you're doing the down on the left side, your weight is on the left leg. Down on the right side, your weight is on the right leg. Alright, so this is a down from the side to side. Okay, it's good to practice this before you actually start to work on the Ommies. And then we will be utilizing the down. You're going to slightly push the hip forward and down and tuck it in at the back. Forward, down, tuck it in at the back. Down in front, tuck it at the back. Down in front, tuck it at the back. Alright, so the movements which we're going to do, if you're going to the right side, we're going to start it down on the left leg, you slide them down on the left. You're going to bring your pelvis down in front, alright, down. Then you're going to down on the right side, and then you're going to tuck it in at the back. So down on the left, down in front, down on the right, tuck it in at the back. Down left, down front, down right, tuck it in at the back. So when you smooth this, it's another pelvis rotation, which looks slightly different from the pelvis rotation that we did last week. Alright, in order to go to the left, again we start on the right, forward, left, and tuck at the back, right, forward, left, tuck it at the back, and then just smooth them in. If you notice, the pelvis rotation that we're doing now is basically going up from the body because of the slides. Okay, so to let you see the difference between what we did last week and what we're doing now, last week we focused on the in and out. So you see the hip movements is very close to the body. Okay, this week we're doing the out and up, down and out. So could you see the slight differences between the two different types of Ommies? You're going to go to the right in 4 counts, and then you're going to repeat it going to the left in 4 counts like this. Your hands is basically just going to put aside. So you're going to the right, so you're going to do the down on the left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You finish at the back. Change to rotate to the left side, starting on the right down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, you finish with the tap. Now we're going to do 2 counts, 2 rotation to the right, but this time we're going to angle our body a little bit. We're going to start on the left. 1, 2, and twisting my hip a little bit on the 2 on the second rotation. And then when I end at the back, I do a tuck, a stronger tuck. So it will look like this. 1, 2, tuck. Alright, because usually when you do the down, you basically finish with the tuck at the back. It's just that this time when I finish it, I do make it stronger. It looks like a pelvis tuck. Alright, and then I'm going to repeat this. Now I'm going to go to the left, 2 rotations. So it's starting on the right side, 1 and 2. I finish with a tuck. I'm going to repeat this once more time. 1, 2, tuck, 3, 4, tuck. Alright, so it's going to, the whole thing is going to look like this. Okay, we're going to do the 4 rotation to the right plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Change to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to the right into rotation. 1, 2, tuck to the left, 3, 4, tuck to the right, 5, 6, tuck, 7, 8, tuck. Alright, tuck it in, ready to go to the right, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 rotation to the right, 2 with a tuck, 3, 4 with a tuck, 5, 6, 7, 8, repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 rotation to the right, 2 and tuck to the left, 2 tuck to the right, 2 tuck to the left, tuck.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button